So here's our book, Cozy Winter Days Junk Journal. Took me quite a while to make this book. I did finish the cover. I don't know if you can see, I put glitter on the snow on the house. As many of the parts as I could see snow. Down here, in the windows, along the bottom and on the roof. So there you go, you can see it now. So that looks pretty good, I like it. I put the lace on the edge, as you saw when I was repairing the cover. The back cover I put on. I used that image. And that's it. I put a closure on it. A little bit of seam binding because it got a little bit chunky. And here we go. Whoop. An extra altered paper clip. Let's see, I'll make sure you can see it now. Camera. Okay, this is the inside cover. I didn't put a pocket on here. I didn't want to cover that up. I had these acetate cards. I put this on and actually glued very well using Fabri-Tac. It's nice and tight. So you could use that to put a photo, an introduction to the book, whatever you want to put there. This is my dyed paper, food coloring dyed paper. This pocket has a tag made out of ribbon, wired ribbon. This was Christmas ribbon I had left over. Went very well. Had stars on it with glitter. And I just put this little piece on here. This I got off of digitalscrapbook.com. And the words, so I made a little cluster out of that. In the pocket I have a tag that I made. This was a cardboard advertising that comes in the mail. It had a picture of a dog on it, so I left the dog, covered up the rest, did a little, collaging on the back. Here's a little text paper you could write on, journaling. Tuck that in the pocket. This one's plain. This page is a flip out with a belly band on it. These are also images from digitalscrapbook.com. So you can go and get 5 free graphic images every day for free. Digitalscrapbook.com. This is a little bit of writing paper, journaling spot. And you can open that up. Put whatever you want on here, more journaling or photos, memorabilia. Here's another little flip. You can put something on here, right on the back. This is another image from digitalscrapbook.com. It says perfect day for soup, which is great for a winter journal. These pages are plain. This page has some lace on the edge. Here's a little side tuck with a larger tag in it. Put a little seam binding at the top. This is a tall envelope with a tall tag inside here, which I collaged also. A little seam binding so you can find it in the pocket. Says make today the best. Excuse me. There's also another large tag back here. I collaged that one. Little graph paper on the back you can journal on. That's what's in behind the pocket. Also has a tab at the top. This little fold out. This is a corner tuck. Let me find a small tag to show you. I'll use this little paper. And you can tuck whatever you want in this corner, something larger or small. It's just attached at the side and the bottom, not this side. So you can fit things in there. This is a movable pocket, clipped on, with a tag in it. This was an image also from digitalscrapbook.com that I printed onto this paper. It's a larger tag. Some words on the back. Fits in the pocket, which can be moved anywhere in the book that I want it. Some more of my dyed paper. This is our line sheet with some flowers printed on them. This is a complete fold out here. You can do a larger spread, a large layout, photos, memorabilia, journaling. This is not a pocket. This is printed on the page. This little tag says warming up. The words were from digitalscrapbook.com, of course. I printed it onto sort of a wood grain paper. This little corner tuck, little cluster, it says fuzzy slippers with a tiny little tag in it. Here's another pocket, one of those special pockets we made with an area for journaling. This is a hidden paper clip with that sweater weather, the sweater on it. It says cozy. Excuse me. Here's another tag in a movable pocket. A collage tag. You can journal on the back. Plain pages. More lace on this page. This is another small pocket with a memory tag in it. Opens all the way up. You can journal on both sides. It's kind of great if you have a party or a get-together. You want to pass something around for everyone to write something on. It's called a memory tag. I also have a video on that. This page, plain pages. This is the center of the first signature. These are not pockets. Everything on here is printed onto the paper on my computer. Here's another one of those ribbon pockets, the wired ribbon. Here you can see the snowflakes. They're glittery looking. In here I have a little booklet that I made. Put whatever you want in there or journal in there. This opens up. Let's see. This has an opening over here. This is an envelope page. You can put larger items in here. And this opens like this. This is also a pocket, a large pocket. And it pulls out like that, so you have all this room for photos, memorabilia, writing, drawings, whatever you want to put on there. Plain pages. Lots of room for journaling in this book. Here's another special pocket that we made. We made that in one of my videos. Small tag in there. It's a corner tuck. Small lace on this page. This is just a flip up. You could journal or write on there. Journaling here. Under here you can put photos or memorabilia. More plain pages. Told you lots of room. This one is a triple fold out. Lots of room in here. This has a pocket on here. Now this is actually an envelope. It says snow on it. In here I have a small little notebook. Has some post-it notes in it. Fits in the pocket. This is also a large belly band. You could put something large behind there. Another hidden paper clip. Yes, that's the hidden one. This one is an altered paper clip. And put a little cluster on it. So you can see the paper clip on the back. This is another pocket made out of, no, this is paper with a little bit of that ribbon on it. It says memories in the making. I put a snowman, that little tag up there, sort of a cluster, a small tag in there, and a hidden paper clip. Plain paper. This folds out. I wanted a book with lots of room in it, because I plan on putting lots of photos if I use this book. I'm still working on my Happy Junk journal. plain paper, lined paper, another graphic. There's another memory tag, made out of different paper. Opens up, both sides can be written on. Folds up, fits in the pocket. Lace on this page, on the edge. Some of my food coloring dyed paper. More of my dyed paper. This is a altered paper clip. You could tuck something under the paper clip. It'll hold on the edge of the page. This is just a tuck-in, I'd call it. This is actually 2 envelopes that I made. You can put something on the front here, and then the back is an envelope. It's rather big, it's large. Closes with this little disc that I made. Just tuck the, whoops, where'd it go? There it is. Just slide it under there. Unfortunately, I'm at the wrong angle right now. There we go. Here's a pocket on the bottom. You put more tags in there. On this side, there's another pocket here. And this is also another one of those envelopes that open up. Very large. And this is just a separate piece. You can put it anywhere in the book that you want. More plain paper. Here's a side tuck with some journaling paper in it. This I put stickles on it. It's glittery. I don't know if you could see it. Let's see. There we go. Let me pick it up. Can you see the glitter? Yes. Okay. I was done with stickles. Plain paper, writing paper. This is the center of the second signature. Just one of those from a child's book. I love that photo, that drawing. And Pull Me Through the Snow. Here's some lace on its edge. Writing paper. Here's another pocket. I put a little bit of that embroidered, no, crocheted lace, but I colored it with the food coloring. And then I glued it on there with Fabri-Tac. This is a hidden paper clip. Goes over the page. You can use both sides. Something can go in. There's a clip up there. You just stick it under the paper clip. Plain paper. This is just a little bit of writing space. I stuck it in here under a paper clip. Here's another one of those triple fold outs, but this one has a side tuck on it. So in here there's a little tag. You can decorate that up with whatever you want. Also a belly band. Underneath here we have this larger piece. There's some collaging that I did with writing on the back, room for writing on the back. So that's a large belly band. Turn this page. Plain paper, another belly band made out of that wired ribbon with the snowflakes on it. This is an altered paper clip. You can clip something under it on the plain paper. Another movable pocket. Big tags in here. And a little writing spot. This tag can be moved, this pocket can be moved wherever you want to put it. So if you want to use this page for something else, and you don't want the pocket there, you just move it to another page. And then we have on the back of that paper clip holding the pocket, I just made a little corner tuck. Put anything in there, large or small. Take the time to catch snowflakes. I put a little bit of liquid pearls on the corner of these. Another page with some lace on it. I love this photo, this picture. Some writing paper, another movable pocket, a little bit of writing paper in it. An altered paper clip, Let It Snow, So Much Fun. The back of the clip. Here's another pocket that we made, a special pocket. Put anything in there, sorry. And here's a corner tuck, it says time for hot chocolate. A little envelope I stuck in there. Plain paper. And this is the back of the book. There's a little folder here I made. I put in a few extra pieces that I had. This is one of those special pockets I made. I put glossy accents on the eyes and the lips. Little pieces that can be added in when you need them. Some writing paper, plain paper. Little folded up papers. And that's it. It's the back cover. I didn't put a pocket on that one either. I like those drawings. So that's our Cozy Winter Days junk journal. Okay, I'll put it in later. I really didn't think this pocket was going to stick, but the Fabri-Tac held it well. It's made of acetate. It was that whole package I have of them. This one says the little things. Okay, so that's our book. Our finished junk journal. And I hope you liked the videos. They're all up there to make it. There's also a playlist of all the videos for this book. Now I'm going to do, I have a plan for in the future. Instead of making one book at a time, I'm going to go into some mass making. So here I have the beginnings of pages for, this would be a whimsical journal. Another text. This will be an envelope journal. It's all made of envelopes. These are just the signatures. I still have to come up with the covers. This would be a neutral journal, sort of all neutral colors. This will be a flowers journal. I'm going to put all types of flowers in here. It has some handmade flowers. They're paper flowers. And just little bits I picked out. I started a nice green envelope. So this will be the flower journal. So I'll be working on these, but like I said, I'm going to be making the pockets and tags and things, sort of like mass making. Make a whole bunch of pockets and tags and flip outs, journaling cards, and then we'll put them all together, one at a time. We'll pick out what we have made. We'll see what goes in what book. That should be interesting. This one I can't wait to do. This one should be fun. I picked out all sorts of bright colors and weird patterns. Drawing patterns. And I want to do a little bit of doodling in it. Borders, decorations. So that's my plan for the future. Thank you for coming. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button. It helps me get more views on YouTube. And also please leave a comment below. That helps me get even more views through the algorithm if they think people are interested. Okay, so thank you for coming. Please hit the subscribe button. And to all of you, if you wish to be notified when the next video is up, you have to hit the bell under subscribe. If you don't hit the bell, you don't get the notifications. Okay, so thanks for coming, and I'll see you soon. Bye.